It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo na isa sa ating pinakapaborito na beef recipe. Let's start cooking!
Simple, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. At ang gagawin natin ngayon ay beef mechado. O, bakit ba siya tinatawag na mechado? Kasi yung panahon na medyo mahirap yung mga maghanap ng quality beef, di ba medyo lean yung mga baka nung unang panahon. So, yung ginagawa nila, binubutasan nila yung meat at nilalagyan ng pork fat para maging juicy siya at maging tender. Sa panahon ngayon na marami ng quality beef like beef from Fresh Options, pinipili na lang natin yung mga beef parts na may streaks of taba. Gagawin natin, i-marinate natin with dato puti soy sauce and calamansi. Kahit overnight, mas masarap siya pag minarinate mo overnight, mas madali yung pagpalambot niya at magiging mas malasa siya. Yung sinasabi natin, nuot sa loob yung sarap. Yan. Ito, quick marinate lang yung gagawin natin. Pero in the meantime, while that's marinating, magigisa tayo. And I remember my lola would make this dish na hindi siya nagpe-pressure cooker. Yung gagawin natin ngayon, pressure cooker, kasi minamadali natin. Yung usong-uso dati, gumagamit sila ng crock pot or slow cooker. So, ginagawa niya, the night before, nilalagay na niya yung beef doon sa slow cooker. The next day, may ulam na kami for lunch. Sobrang lambot na. Medyo, alam mo yung beef na nagbe-break apart na siya na halos konti na lang para na siyang corned beef. Yan, onions and carrots. Yun ang una kong gigisa. Yung carrots natin, no? We're adding the carrots here. Hindi natin objective na parang, di ba, pag kumakain ka ng kaldereta, yung carrots, kitang-kita mo yung carrots at saka patatas. Dito naman siya, inuuna natin yung carrots natin to give sweetness to the sauce. And parang thickener siya kasi halos madudurog na yung ating carrots. And instead of using just tomato sauce, maraming fresh tomatoes din nilalagay. Yan. So, that's around 2 cups of fresh tomatoes. Gagawin natin dito para mas mabilis siya mag-caramelize, mas lumabas yung sweetness ng ating tomatoes. Lalagyan natin ng sugar, no? So, this is around 4 tablespoons of sugar. What we want here to achieve here, hindi natin siya mamadalin. Yung gusto natin dito is, bago natin ilagay yung beef, medyo durug-durug na talaga yung ating tomatoes. Yan. So, let's leave that there. And look at that. Tingnan mo, after a few minutes, medyo durug na yung ating tomatoes. And we add our other ingredients. So, meron akong dried oregano. Dahon ng laurel. Yan, mga 4 na piraso. Meron akong paprika, around 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika. Pwede din kung wala kang paprika, gamitin mo ay magdagdag ka ng atsuete oil, no? Naging very nice red color because of the paprika, red bell pepper. Yan, cut into strips. Yan, masarap yan. Yan. I'll just add it here. Yan. So, yung gamit ko dito ay mga 1 1/2 kilos of yung beef. Bakit? Medyo marami siya. Kasi, alam mo, pag may natira siya, after a few days, mas sumasarap siya. Kaya pag gumagawa kayo nito, damihan mo na siya para sulit naman yung effort mo. And black pepper. And lalagyan ko pa rin siya ng tomato sauce. So, I'm using 200 grams pack of, yan, 200 grams pack of UFC Filipino style tomato sauce. Yan. Na to bring out flavors. Akala natin puro lang alat yung hinahabol natin para sumarap. Dapat din yung acidity, yung asim niya. Kasi kung kulang ng asim tong dish, and it's very fatty, medyo madali kang maumay. So the secret is to add acidity. So I'm using also dato puti vinegar. Of course, I'm using beef stock, or you can also use chicken stock, or just plain water. It's good enough. Yan, kasi sobrang ng malasa nito. Thank you, Masflex, for the pressure cooker, of course. And I will cook this for around 40 minutes. Just wait for it to simmer. And our beef mechado has been cooking for 40 minutes. Kailangan natin, before we open our pressure cooker, we have to release the air pressure or else sasabog siya, no? So you have to be very careful. Yan. Or you can just, you know, put it under running water. Yan, mas mabilis. Yan. Wow. And always remember, never attempt to open your pressure cooker pag medyo nagsisingaw pa siya, no? You know it's safe kasi it easily slides open. Yan. Diba? Oh my God, look at that. Malapot na yung sauce. Wow. Oh, look at that, oh. Wow. Yan. And I'm sure nito, pag when it's rested, maghihiwalay na yung medyo, yung mga langis-langis niya, no? And I'm ready to plate. Look at that. Very nice, rich sauce. Yan. Look at the meat, no? It's so tender. Wow. Yan, oh. Durog na siya agad. Yan. Look at that. Wow. Ang ating version of beef mechado, tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!